anniversary of the Black Crust Pizza. And first 10 customer will have 1 year supply Black Crust Pizza.
Alright,
G or not G? As natin. G.
G.
Let's go. Akita tayo sa taas. Are you G or G?
G.
Yeah! Alright.
Anniversary dito sa may SM Telabastagan. And actually, di ba nga, meron tayo ngayong surprise para sa first 10 customers na papasok at pupunta dito sa may Black Crust Pizza. A 1 year supply of the Black Crust Pizza. So, yeah, congratulations po. So wala pa tayong palakpakan guys! Congrats naman natin si Ma'am Sir!
Thank you everyone for celebrating Black Crust Pizza and this wine for success. Thank you.
Cheers everybody!
I'd like to invite everyone, you should come and try this Black Crust Pizza. We always see this, but we never tried. And since we tried it, we realized masarap pala siya.
Na nandito po kayo lahat to celebrate with us sa Black Crust SM Telabastagan Branch, and we hope that we're going to see you on our next anniversary. Thank you po sa lahat, seniors, sa lahat ng employees, sa lahat po ng mga students, sa lahat ng mga nagsusupport sa SM, sa Black Crust Pizza Co. Cafe, sa lahat ng branch namin. Super! Thank you po, BCP lovers! And I hope na magpatuloy po inyong support for us. Thank you po.
That's it for today. So happy anniversary Black Crust Pizza Telabastagan, and congratulations for the successful event. So kung makikita nyo, napakasayo ng event kanina.
So parang bidin nga Mark pero napakasayo. Congratulations Black Crust Pizza.
Yeah, so that's it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hope to see you again here sa Black Crust Pizza Telabastagan. So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Happy anniversary!
Bye!